In this video, I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, the first thing that you have to do is go to Start and then type in Store. Then click on Microsoft Store. Now go to the search bar and then type in ChatGPT. Then click on ChatGPT. Now from here, all you need to do is just click on Install. Now ChatGPT will be downloaded and installed. So just give it a moment. And it's done. We can now close this window, and if we go to our start menu, we can see that we have ChatGPT in here. So just right click on it and then click on pin to taskbar, and that way ChatGPT will be pinned to taskbar and we can access it anytime. And now if we click on it, ChatGPT will open up, and as you can see, it is now ready to use. And that is how you can download and install ChatGPT in your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.